Instagram basically just gave us a watch next button. The new series feature is designed to turn your random reels into a bingeable video format that keeps viewers on your profile longer watching your content. Welcome back. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button so you're always the first to know when these social media news updates drop. Instagram is rolling out a dedicated series hub for your profile. To see how this changes the way viewers binge your content, here's the breakdown from Julia Broom.
A new Instagram feature just dropped and it's basically giving your feed a mini TV format and you are going to love it. So say hello to the new series feature. The new series feature provides a dedicated hub on your profile for your signature series and includes a watch next button just like you would see if you were watching your favorite TV show on any major streaming platform. So basically, instead of a viewer stumbling across one of your random reels and then leaving your profile, they can now seamlessly binge your content in order episode after episode. And that is a much bigger deal than it sounds because this isn't just an organizational feature. This is a retention feature that has the potential to bring you more reach, more views, and more followers. And on top of that, it's a recognizability feature that can help you become the creator that people know because of their signature series. Now let's talk about how you're going to optimize this. I want you to think about your signature series like it's a weekly episode from a TV series. So switch your mindset from what should I post this week to what's this week's new episode, because you want people to know it's coming each week and binge watch it like their show is on. Look,
Julia is 100% correct. This is all about retention. It changes the viewer's mindset from scrolling past your videos one by one to seeing what others are doing to move to a more cohesive show experience. It turns the viewer into a follower much faster because they can follow the narrative of your channel. Let's move on to the next piece of news. Meta has introduced a new AI creative partner called Muse. To see how this is being integrated directly into your creative workflow, let's talk about the new features that are now available in this tool. Beyond just chat, Muse is all about being your creative assistant. It helps you handle the technical lifting. It can generate AI effects, erase backgrounds by you entering simple text prompts. It even makes text for infographics. This is all about testing ideas quickly so you don't get stuck in the creation process so that you can trial and error to figure out what works. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode. For the full breakdown of all the social media features that have launched this week, catch the latest episode of the Instagram Stories, social media news on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you get podcasts. I'm Daniel Hill. See you in the next episode.